Welcome to this detailed guide on how to use the WordPress audio block. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress to add and manage an audio block on your site, using a series of clear step-by-step instructions. We will start by directing you to the WordPress website and move steadily through the process until you have successfully added your audio content. Begin by opening your web browser and going to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. By clicking on login, you signal your intention to enter your site's editing environment. After clicking on login, you will be prompted with various sign-in options. For this guide, we will use the option that says continue with Google. Select this option and then choose your preferred Google account from the list presented. Using your Google account can streamline the login process, ensuring that you gain access to your account quickly and securely. Once you have logged in, you will be brought to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick links section where you will find a link labeled edit site. This is your gateway to making changes and customizing the appearance and functionality of your website. Clicking edit site transports you to the site editor where you can use WordPress's built-in customization tools. Inside the site editor, locate the plus icon positioned at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on the plus icon opens a new panel that gives you access to all available blocks and elements that you can add to your page. This intuitive selection menu allows you to search and choose from a wide variety of blocks that suit your content needs. After you have clicked the plus icon, move on to the next stage by typing the word audio into the search bar that appears. Typing in audio quickly filters the block options, presenting you with audio-specific elements that are compatible with your page's layout. This targeted search helps you find exactly what you need without having to navigate through unrelated options. When the audio block appears in your search results, click on it to activate the block. This action integrates the audio block into your page, making it ready for customization. Once the audio block is active, you will then be prompted to choose your audio content. This step is crucial because it is where you will decide which audio file you wish to present on your website. After selecting your desired audio file, you will see an option to confirm your selection. Click on Select to complete the process. At this moment, your chosen audio file is now embedded within the WordPress page, and you can preview how it plays within the context of your site. This guide has walked you through the entire process from logging into WordPress, accessing the site editor, and working with the audio block. Each step has been designed to be easy to follow, ensuring that even if you are new to WordPress, you can manage your audio content with confidence. Enjoy customizing your website with engaging audio content, and remember that this process is straightforward once you familiarize yourself with the interface and the tools available on WordPress.